need to give you a makeover. So, what do you think? Cocktail dress?
No, this is my favorite part of the story. Make me a princess.
All right, but you're gonna stick out.
I'm heartburn. I'm wearing a book dress. Sweet. Now, what about the shoes? Oh, come on. You know I have to clean that up.
There, glass slippers. Now, if you want to keep your toes, I don't recommend tap dancing.